The zebra dove, scientifically known as Geopelea striata, is a small bird native to Southeast Asia and introduced to other regions like Hawaii and Australia. This species is renowned for its distinctive markings, gentle demeanor, and melodious cooing, making it a favorite among bird enthusiasts. Zebra doves are small, slender birds, typically measuring around 20 to 23 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of about 24 to 26 centimeters. Their plumage is primarily grayish-brown with a blend of soft hues that help them blend into their surroundings. However, their most distinguishing feature is the black and white barring, or zebra pattern, found on their necks, upper chest, and wings, which gives them their name. The lower parts of their bodies, particularly the belly and underparts, tend to be unmarked and lighter in color, often a creamy or buff tone. Males and females look quite similar, though males tend to be slightly larger. Zebra doves are known for their calm and docile nature. They are ground foragers, often seen walking with small, delicate steps, picking at seeds, grains, and small insects. They are not shy around humans and can adapt well to urban environments, often found in parks, gardens, and even on balconies. These birds are monogamous, forming strong pair bonds that last for life. Mated pairs are often seen flying together, feeding side by side, or cooing softly to each other. They avoid dense forests but are comfortable in areas with scattered trees and low shrubs. In urban settings, they adapt easily to human presence and can be found perching on wires, fences, or buildings. The breeding season for zebra doves varies depending on their location, but generally occurs during warm months when food is abundant. They build their nests in low shrubs, trees, or even on man-made structures like ledges or gutters. Their nests are simple, often made of twigs and leaves. The female usually lays 2 white eggs, which are incubated by both parents. After about 13 to 15 days, the eggs hatch, and the parents take turns feeding the chicks. The young fledge in about 2 weeks but stay with their parents for additional care for a while longer. Zebra doves primarily feed on small seeds, grains, and occasionally insects. In the wild, zebra doves typically live around 7 to 10 years, though in captivity, with proper care, they can live longer. Zebra doves are often welcomed by humans due to their peaceful nature and soft calls. In many cultures, they are considered symbols of peace and tranquility. Some bird enthusiasts keep them as pets, appreciating their calm demeanor and the pleasant sound of their cooing. The zebra dove is listed as of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Their population is stable, and they face no major threats in most of their habitats. However, habitat destruction and changes in agricultural practices could pose future risks.